Hey guys, this is Aditya with another YouTube video. So it's the first snow of the season, the 2016 winter season, and it's a huge blizzard. As you can see right over there, you've got snow for about 2 feet, and right now I'm going to be trying, and it's still snowing. I'm going to be trying to get out and show you our neighborhood. So, guess this might take a second. That's just my dad. And there, our door is not opening. It's locked. Okay, so that was not opening. So I've come to my garage door and my dad's just gonna open up the door. And hopefully, and as you can see, there's a massive amount of snow. Oh my God, it's a blizzard out there. And as you can see, there's all that snow right over there. It's like about 1.5 feet, and there's still a blizzard. You can see our neighborhood. A few minutes ago, a snow plower just went around our neighborhood, and that's why you might be able to see faint outlooks of our road. But other than that, everything is white. And you might be wondering what's supposed to be here right next to our garage. That's all driveway. And I bet you cannot see any driveway. So there you have it. That's the first snow of the season. I'll just go on out and try to. Yes, it is completely very snowy. As you can see, my foot is going in that much. I was trying to start snow plowing, but you can see that our entire backyard, our front yard, and this is actually our driveway. You can see that there's a little of it you can see over there. This is all our driveway. So it's completely untouched snow, and there's 1.5 feet of it. So you can see a few trees, and on the sides you can see a bush. Now there were supposed to be bushes lining up the driveway on this side and that side, but the snow has covered all those huge bushes. And usually now it's the only way to clean this using a snow plower or an hour or two with a shovel, which is kind of a lot. So I'm just gonna go. You can see a radiator over there. The cable TV. And yes, it is very snowy. You might not be able to see the snow, but just go a little over here. A little work this will take. And yes, there we are. That's our house. See, right on that roof over there, where the gutter is located, there's a massive pile of snow, and it's covering our office room and my bedroom windows. You can't exactly see the ceiling except for over there, and that our entire stairwell looks kind of like a slide, which is also pretty weird. So that's basically it. You've got plenty of trees and lots of snow-covered houses. And as I kept mentioning before, it's not gonna stop until tomorrow. So I'm pretty sure my school's gonna be canceled. It's a Saturday today. So yeah, and a few minutes later, right now, I'll be going back into my backyard and my patio. So I'll just show you one last look of this snow covered the place. And as you can see, there you are. There's supposed to be a street there. And yeah, that's mainly it. There's supposed to be an intersection there, but you cannot see any of it. And okay, that's about it. And now I'm going to go to my patio. And wait, I'll show you one last thing. One last look. Okay, so as you can see, we've started cleaning out our driveway. And as you can see also, there is that much snow. I'm walking through nicely, and that's like 2 feet of snow. And I'm emphasizing this because this is the first snowstorm in the season. And this first snowstorm has 10 feet of snow. And you can see that shovel over there, and that's a smaller shovel over there. Those both are completely submerged. And it's really hard to see because of the because we have winds up to 60 miles per hour. So right after this, I'll go back to my patio and I'll show you that. And it's pretty nice. And as you can see, there's a bunch of snow over here, and it's the path. Okay, so as I said, just going to show you my patio, and there it is. And that must be a lot of snow. And it is, that's a lot of snow. And as you notice, I'm inside my house. I'm not allowed to go inside anymore. I mean outside anymore. There's like 17 miles per hour wind gusts, and it's like really dangerous. So basically you can just take a look. There's a forest outside our backyard, and it's like a wildlife reserve, and you can just see some snow-topped trees over there. And if you want to see how much snow there is, just check over here. That is like 2 feet of snow. And I checked the weather, and the snow is going to go on for a extra few hours until 1 a.m. So there you have it. That's the first snow of the season, and there's lots of wind gusts, a huge snowbank on my patio, and I already showed you the front of my house, and you can just see that. And okay, so please subscribe and please like this video. And if you want to check out some Hess truck reviews or some regular tech unboxings, you can check out my channel, Aditya S. And thanks for watching. So I'm back, and when I started this video, I did not know how much snow there would be after an hour or two. So it's been like 2 hours since that last section of the video, and now my dad is gonna attempt to clean that. And as you can see, all of that is a lot of snow. You've got a snowblower machine handy, but I do not think this is gonna work. It's more snow than ever now. See, as you can see over there, our whole railing is covered. And you can't even see anything except for snow, snow, snow. So my dad is gonna now try to clear this. And assuming the size of our patio, this is gonna take a very, very long time. So okay, now this is gonna be the end of the video, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe and please like. And if you want to see any more of my Hess videos, like I said before, Hess reviews or tech reviews, like I said before, you can just check out my channel, Aditya S. And thanks for watching.